Welcome to beautiful Red Rock, Nevada.
If you're visiting Las Vegas for more than a couple days, or if you're like us and you've visited many times before, you may find that 3 days or more can be a little bit much. So here is one easy way to take a break. Less than 40 minutes from the Strip is a place called the Red Rock National Conservation Area. You'll find the visitor center is a great spot to hit the restrooms. And since you're in the desert, bring yourself a water bottle so you can refill and keep yourself hydrated. Inside, you'll find the information counter, some small displays, and a really nice selection of souvenirs. Heading out through the second set of doors leads to some outdoor exhibits.
All right, so we're wandering around in the amphitheater area over at the Visitor Center here in Red Rock. It is such a beautiful day and the weather has been perfect. And yeah, there's some tortoises and they tell you all about the different animals. Natalie's just waiting because you're not allowed food in this area, so she's gonna come and take a look next. Yeah, so very interesting. There's a lot to see here at the Visitor Center. I would not skip it. Definitely stop in and check it out before you go for the loop.
Yeah, you're very soft too, and you got a nice coat.
Aren't you gorgeous?
He's super dirty right now, so.
After prying Natalie away from her new friend, we set out on the scenic drive. Our first stop presented us with the magnificent Calico Hills.
What amazing weather it was for a visit. The spectacular colors of the rock formations and the Aztec sandstone were breathtaking. I wish we had planned a little longer visit to explore more.
All right, so Nat and I are gonna head down here and see if we can stand on some of these beautiful rock. But like that, everything's very loose.
What do you see when you look around? Are you looking for memories lost and found? What do you see when you close your eyes? And remember the best days of our lives. Well, I see colors, and I see colors.
You'll find that there are many parking areas located around the drive.
I see colors.
The loop is one way and a maximum speed of 35 miles per hour. But if you're slower like me, move to the right and let others by.
Taking the pictures in my mind.
There are 26 numbered trails in the area, each with varying degrees of difficulty. Be sure to check out their website for more detailed information.
Singing a song along the way. Making the most of every day.
So if you're gonna come, definitely, as Natalie had just talked to me about, it's a very warm day. We're about 10:30 in the morning already. But I would say, make sure you bring lots of water and you're dressed appropriately. Make sure you have the proper footwear. Yeah, just be prepared and be safe, always.
The entire loop is a 13-mile drive, and each stop has their own different features for you to enjoy. You could stop in at High Point Overlook and grab a selfie. Or check out one of the many other ways to experience the area. winding road continues and undulates through the landscape. And there are many stops and trails you can access as you travel along, or you can just drive and enjoy the sights.
What are you gonna say? It's been a long, long day, and we're needing this one.
Well, we could show you the whole area, but we'd rather let you experience it all for yourself. So if you are ever in Las Vegas for an extended period, try a different angle and get off the strip for a little while. And a great place to do that is the Red Rock National Conservation Area.
I think that's the end of the loop.
Thanks for watching, and if you know of other off-the-beaten-path things to do when you're in Vegas, let us know down in the comments. We'll continue to make episodes, but be sure to like and subscribe and ring the bell so you can be notified when we post. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more, check out one of our other videos on the channel.